Hey guys, can you imagine that I have actually lost my game today? It's round number 2 in Krakow, and I'm not feeling good. Look at this game. After move 7, I was already better, and I knew that. I literally knew that. Played to e5. I played perfect chess up to this point, and here my first inaccuracy. The computer suggests h5, which I thought about, but I thought that it doesn't give me anything for now. I also didn't want to take because I just thought that this position is gonna be okay if after he plays knight to b3, let's say b6 and bishop to e3 and just blocking my pawns. I thought no, actually it's 0-0, but it's not. I need to get better at evaluating my games for real. Knight to e5, I mean -1 in move 14, guys. This is a joke, the fact that I'm losing games like those. Bishop to e5, look, -2. Here I thought that it's best to just take and destroy his pawn structure, but actually the computer suggested bishop to h3, which again I thought about, but I haven't gone through because d takes c, I take, d takes c. How is this -2.5? I have no idea, to be honest. I mean, let me go here and I would go rook to d8. Yeah, still a very good position. I have no idea why it's so good for black, because I thought that after he play, yeah, but he cannot play c4. I thought that he can always get rid of my knight, my pawn, and then take the knight back. Yeah, but it's not the case. So that's what I did. I played bishop to d6, and I thought I'm actually better here, a lot better, but I wasn't. And yeah, I wanted to just play rook to e8 was the simplest move. I mean, I have a good bishop defending d1. I thought that he's gonna double up. Oh, exactly. And that wouldn't be a good idea. And I would play rook a d8, and then he would push, yeah, a5. And I thought, okay, but how do I progress here? How do I even attack e3? What do I do? It's simple. I should go with knight to d5 maybe, and then bishop f6 and rook to e3. Maybe not now, but as a plan. But yeah, you know me. I love to blunder one games. I played bishop h3, which is a huge blunder because after this, my queen gets trapped. And he actually was able to just take, and I guess my queen cannot escape anyway. Yeah, exactly. Oh my god, but he played here. I had a chance to equalize, absolutely. It was 0-0, as you can see. But unfortunately, yeah, I wanted to take, and take. Oh. Okay, yeah, I guess so. But, a drawn position out of a lost position. But anyway, I was so angry I played rook to d5. Even I had 27 moves on the clock, I just rushed. I mean, I played too much blitz recently. I think that's why I'm playing so quickly and losing patience and all that stuff. Throwing games like this. Knight e5, and here I tried one last thing, which was trying to get a perpetual check, but unfortunately he had king h1 and queen to g1. That's it. He's blocking the rook, and I have a knight. But you know what? I cannot catch this pawn. And the game went for a little while because I don't like surrendering so quickly. We played 10 more moves till the notation paper ended, and then I just surrendered to not waste any more paper, right? I'm very eco-friendly. Thank you for watching, and I hope I'm gonna win next game. See ya.